Galaxy S9 Ultra. This is a 14.6 inch screen. It's a Super AMOLED display. It's beautiful and it's one of the largest tablets, if not the largest tablets. IP68 water resistance, so you can bring it outside, and also dust proof, so you can have picnics with this device. And with the expandable storage, you can store a bunch of your movies on here. So it's 2 times as bright. The front facing cameras are 12 megapixel cameras. So you're gonna look very sharp on all those Zoom or team calls. The back camera as well, it's a double 8 megapixel or 13 megapixel camera. Hidden on the back is the S Pen. So you get all your S series for all your Galaxy Note lovers over here. You can wake up the screen, you can have the air controls of the Galaxy Notes, screenwriting, transposing your messages, highlighting text, but I do appreciate that this is part of the cost with it. This screen's the largest screen, it's super bright, it's super beautiful, so that's why you want the S9 Ultra. Let's go into some accessories that you want for your new device going into the new year. So first and foremost, tablet covers run a ton, all right? My only concern with tablet covers, if you look at the graveyard of all the other tech over here, is that as you upgrade the tablet, you start to produce a lot of e-waste because the covers don't actually have any value when you trade them in or once you try and sell them. But I try and avoid getting tablet covers that have proprietary pins for the keyboard, because I want something a little more elegant and universal, especially from a household that you might have a ton of different Android phones, PCs, or iPhones that could utilize the Bluetooth keyboard. So the first accessory here is you want a very excellent keyboard, but we want to take advantage of the fact that this is a USB-C and USB-C hub friendly with Samsung DeX. I would choose, if you have a keyboard, a very ergonomic and comfortable keyboard. I like the Microsoft Sculpt series of keyboards. You'll see it when you have the tactile touch on here. It's very soft, it's membrane keyboard, it's nice. It just depends on your setup. That said, another accessory here is the Logitech keyboard here. This is the K780. Now this K780 tablet keyboard is also for your phone, and it can pair with 3 devices. You may have seen this in my other videos, but as you don't want to get proprietary keyboard cases, or if you're upgrading all the time, one of the great features of this is you can add the tablet right there, and it's just a nice, elegant stand for it without having to utilize all their nice pins and research everything. But it's like a really good, nice angle here. I don't have to recharge this much, or this is actually uses some batteries here. And although not as comfortable as this ergonomic keyboard, this Logitech rocks. Now, if you're going for some pop, right? So another accessory is you want a very elegant tablet stand, or you pay the money for the $200 case. You can have this over here, and you can get a nice pop looking Logitech pop keyboard, where you can add emojis for all you newer young folk out there. That said, I've typed with this, it's just not that useful, although it does turn heads because it's just so happy and go lucky, and you get really cool custom keys over here for any emojis that you'd like to add to it. It looks really nice. It just doesn't, in real world situations, work as something you want to just plug in right away for it. That's it. Another accessory you want at least something in the Samsung wearables world, so that's your choice of having either the Buds or the Galaxy Watch, or Samsung can really streamline the seamlessness with the Galaxy phone, where they have the Fold line series or the smaller Fold series, or just the wireless accessories. So those are a couple accessory choices for it, but you're going to definitely want, if you're going a higher budget here, a USB-C hub or a one plug-in. Utilize a USB-C to death, everyone. Plug this into a monitor and change this to the Samsung DeX type of world.